If you are looking to transfer files from your district L drive into your OneDrive, you're going to begin the process by logging into a desktop computer in the school district, which is going to allow you access from your L drive. If you try to log on to your L drive from a tablet, you might not see it available there. So to begin the process, once you sign into that desktop computer, you're going to look for the icon for OneDrive. If it is the first time that you're accessing OneDrive from this computer, when you click on this icon, you might see a wheel that comes up that's spinning, and it's trying to recognize your Office credentials. You also might see a cloud icon show up on the bottom of your screen with a slash through it. If that does pop up, you would click on that and it would prompt you to sign in using your Office 365 username and password. Once you've got that set up, you're just going to go back to the OneDrive icon and click to open it. And this is going to show you that it is now hooked up to your Office 365 account through Lynbrook. So here's all of the folders and files that you might have in your OneDrive, and you might have more or less. Then what you're going to do is you're going to click on this PC, and you are then going to scroll down and click your L drive. So now I'll have two windows side by side. So this is going to be my L drive and this is going to be my OneDrive. I'm going to scroll all the way down to the bottom of my page here, and essentially all I need to do is click and drag and drop these folders from my L drive into my OneDrive, and you'll see these arrows here showing that it is syncing and then a check mark once it is complete. You can then go into the folders to see that your documents have transferred. If you happen to have a folder that has many nested folders, so folders inside folders inside folders, my recommendation would be to make sure you're just taking one of these folders and dragging and dropping it over at a time so that all of those nested files come with it. Another thing to make sure is that when you click and drag this, you're not copying it into another folder. Make sure you're putting it at the bottom of your screen here where there are no folders so it doesn't nest it inside of a different one. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out and we'll be happy to walk you through the process.